Hi, welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Al Ashworth. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power side mirrors, step rails, and solar ray lighting tinted glass. The 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is a strong contender in the full-size pickup segment thanks to its capable performance and great highway manners. The Silverado has 17-inch steel wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Silverado is in great condition. It has dual halogen composite headlamps with automatic exterior light controls and flash to pass feature, as well as daytime running lights and a really nice chrome accented grille to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 6-cylinder 4.3-liter engine with an automatic transmission. The Silverado has rear-wheel drive and is equipped with a 26-gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that the Silverado only has 61,242 miles on it. At the back of the Silverado, you can see the cargo lamp, the bed cover, and the step bumper, along with the tow package, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the adjustable fabric bench seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. The Silverado is also equipped with vinyl floor covering, door bins, and in-dash storage. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the power door locks, and the power windows. The Silverado has a very comfortable tilting and theft deterrent steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise and audio features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment features and is paired with 4 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player, and you can easily connect devices using the auxiliary port. You also have a large climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. And again, thank you very much.